I will show you how to disable comments on Facebook posts. First, open your Facebook. Click What's on your mind to post something. Type anything. Make sure this post is seen by everyone or set it to public. Then press Post after the post is uploaded. Click the three dots next to the post. Press Who can comment on this post. Then click Profiles and pages you mention. This will affect your post. The post can only be commented on by certain people, so not just anyone can comment on it.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.